What if you could turn any 2D image into a stunning 3D model in seconds? Meshy AI makes it possible. Let's explore the best i3D creation tool. Meshy AI is a cutting-edge 3D model generator that transforms text prompts and images into production-ready 3D assets. It uses advanced AI to create detailed geometry, textures, and materials instantly. Perfect for artists, designers, and game developers seeking fast, affordable 3D creation without traditional software complexity. Generate 3D models from text descriptions with remarkable accuracy. Import 2D images and convert them into 3D geometry. Export in multiple formats: DALL-E, FT Stream, and Meshy. In customized textures, colors, and details within seconds, compatible with Blender, Unity, and Unreal Engine. Customized textures. Color supports both stylized and photorealistic outputs for diverse creative needs. Sign up at Meshy AI. Choose Text to 3D or Image to 3D mode. Enter your detailed prompt describing the object style and characteristics. Adjust quality settings and wait for processing. Preview the model in real time. Refine details using the built-in editor. Download your finished asset in your preferred format immediately. Write specific, descriptive prompts, include material types, lighting, and mood. Experiment with different art styles: anime, realistic, low poly, or fantasy. Use reference images for consistency. Start simple, then layer complexity. Combine Meshy AI outputs with traditional tools for hybrid workflows. Join creator. Like this video, comment your favorite Meshy AI creation, and explore our full AI design playlist.